Hello. In this video, I will talk about the study Perceptions of Students Toward ICT Competencies at University, developed by Ph.D.
Carlos Arturo Torres-Gastelú at the Universidad Veracruzana.
The objective is identify and compare student self-perceptions of ICT competencies in three dimensions: basic, application, and ethical, across both universities. In plain terms, the study asks, where do students feel strongest, where are the gaps, and do those patterns differ between Mexico and Hungary? The research follows a quantitative exploratory design with 567 students, 302 from Veracruzana and 265 from Obuda. Data come from a 14-item questionnaire mapped to the three competence types, rated on a 4-point Likert scale, not at all to a lot. The instrument shows solid reliability, Cronbach's alpha equals 0.87, and analyses include descriptive statistics and ANOVA using SPSS. At a glance, students in both countries largely rate themselves as competent. Most answers cluster in quite a lot and a lot. The strongest signals are using digital tools to obtain information from varied sources and valuing ICT as a permanent instrument for learning. The weakest, using models/simulations to explore complex topics and creating original works as personal expression. Comparing groups reveals a nuanced pattern. Mexican students report higher confidence in basic competencies, productive use of applications and core informatics resources, while Hungarian students score higher on application competencies, particularly in problem-solving, communication, and teamwork. Ethical competencies are strong in both groups, with Mexican students reporting a slight edge. The study concludes that students view themselves as relatively competent overall, with ethical and basic skills leading. However, application competencies, those that demand creativity, simulation, and original production, are weaker. This gap suggests coursework still emphasizes knowing about tools more than using them in challenging, real-world tasks. Both contexts would benefit from strategies that strengthen application skills, project-based learning, structured teamwork, and authentic digital creation. The recommendation is not just to add ICT as support, but to weave it into the core of learning, so students practice ethical use and solve problems with technology as part of their degree experience. This research was developed by Dr. Carlos Arturo Torres-Gastelú, in collaboration with Gábor Kiss. We appreciate your attention and interest in this study, which aims to contribute to the development of digital literacy among young people. If you would like to learn more about Ph.D. Torres-Gastelu's research, you can visit his official website or academic profiles.